Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Can I ask you a few questions?
Of course. Go ahead.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and then have breakfast. After that, I start my work.
That sounds nice. What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I also eat fruits.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. I try to go for a short walk or do some stretching.
That's good. What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office. My job is mostly on the computer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It keeps me busy and I learn new things every day.
How many hours do you usually work?
I usually work about 8 hours a day.
What do you do after work?
After work, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV, read a book, or spend time with my family.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy and action movies.
Who do you usually watch movies with?
I usually watch them with my friends or family.
That sounds fun. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling a lot. It helps me relax and explore new places.
Which place would you like to visit in the future?
I would love to visit the mountains or a peaceful beach.
That's great. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft and relaxing music. It helps me feel calm.
It was really nice talking to you.
Yes, it was. I enjoyed our conversation too.
Let's talk again sometime.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Hey, Mark. What are you doing right now?
Hi, Emma. I'm just thinking about what to eat. I'm really hungry.
Same here. I skipped lunch today. What kind of food do you like the most?
I love pizza and burgers. Fast food is my weakness. What about you?
I like pizza too, but my favorite food is pasta, especially white sauce pasta.
Oh, yes. White sauce pasta is really delicious. Do you cook it at home?
Yes, sometimes. My sister taught me how to make it.
That's great. I wish I could cook like that. I usually order food online.
Ordering food is easy, but homemade food is healthier.
You're right. My mom always says the same thing.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. Indian food is the best for that.
I agree. Dishes like biryani, butter chicken, and paneer tikka are amazing.
Now you're making me more hungry.
Sorry. What are you going to eat today?
I'm thinking about ordering a large pizza.
Good choice. Which flavor?
Maybe a cheese burst pizza with extra toppings.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
What about you? What will you eat?
I think I will cook noodles at home.
Noodles are quick and tasty.
Yes, and I add vegetables to make it healthier.
That's a good idea. I should try cooking sometimes too.
You definitely should. Cooking can be fun.
Maybe one day you can teach me how to cook pasta.
Sure, I would love to.
Great. Now I'm going to order my pizza.
And I'm going to cook my noodles.
Enjoy your food.
You too.